Hello everyone, my name is Jillian. For today's vlog, we're going to be doing our Halloween party vlog. We are so freaking excited, you guys. This is the first time we've hosted like a Halloween party. We're calling it kind of like FRIENDSWEEN, but it's literally the day of the party, you guys. This whole week we've been kind of prepping. So Janice, me, and our friend Savvy were in charge of desserts. So on Thursday we went to go buy all this stuff, and on Thursday we also started to make them, and I finished what I had to do yesterday, but I didn't vlog for you guys because I literally had a migraine from Thursday morning until yesterday afternoon, Friday. So it was just a lot, girl, and I just wanted to make the desserts and get it over with. But like I said, it is a day of the party and we are cleaning right now. We're finishing up cleaning and we're gonna start on the decorations. We're gonna decorate the bathroom, obviously outside. You guys will finally find out what our group costume is. I wonder if anybody of you guys guessed. Comment down below, put the little timestamp and comment down below what you guys think we're gonna be dressing up as. It's gonna be our girls that are dressing up as this. But yes, you guys, I'm so excited for you guys to see everybody and everybody's costumes. We are gonna have grupo also, you guys, which is something that we also have never done for like our friends' parties. It's the first time we get grupo for like one of our parties. But yes, you guys, I'm so excited, and well, I'll show you guys that later. But yes, let's go start decorating. Okay guys, we have all the decorations for the bathroom. We're gonna put these and this on this mirror right here, and I think we're gonna put cobwebs on these shelves and these shelves right here. We might put caution tape on the door, we'll see, but let's decorate. Yeah, we should put tape out in the middle, and then we could put the hands on like splashes. Put it right under the beautiful, and then we'll put the hands right there.
We look like sisters.
We really do. A little bit.
Oh, I wonder why.
Like not so diagonal, like a little bit, and put it more up. Just put it all the way up to the thing. And then we'll put it around here, that way we can still take pictures.
And get real hard.
Oh yeah.
Sorry guys, I need to try out the different. Can we still see it though?
No, the red one's better.
Okay.
Guys, here is the cobwebs done. Looks so freaking good on the mirror. Oh, and we're also gonna put those bathtubs. Oh, yes. They're gonna be right here. But like when the party's gonna start. Yeah. So we put the cobwebs right here. We're not gonna put it right here, so it's just like when you walk in. But I think we are gonna put caution tape on the door. Gonna put drips on this mirror. Okay guys, this is how the mirror looks. Janice helped me put some cobwebs, but it's pretty simple. It's more to like just take pictures. Super cute. We finished decorating the bathroom and you guys saw the mirror and everything. We actually also did the balloon garland, but I didn't record that. I'll show you guys ahorita when we record outside. But everybody's gonna shower. Well, the girls are all gonna shower because we all have to wash our hair. We're gonna shower and everything, and then we're going to go decorate outside. But in the meantime that it's my turn to shower, I'm going to wax my armpits and I think my mustache. I'm out of the shower and we're taking everything out. This is how the balloon garland came out. It looks super cute. I got these to put them around the walls, like on the backyard, and the guy got a smoke machine. I don't know, girl, but we're gonna start taking everything out and start decorating. But I think the balloon garland, we're gonna do it last because the sun is out. We don't want it to pop, y'all, so let's go. Okay guys, it is many hours later. As you guys can see, I am all dressed up. Can you guys tell what I am? Did anybody guess what we were gonna be? Okay, I'll tell you guys. We're gonna be princesses. We're each a different like OG princess, and I'm Merida, if you guys couldn't tell. So I have my all green, and then I put on this belt because like I need to break up the brown somehow. I'm wearing these boots, TikTok shop. These tights are from Amazon. My shorts are TikTok shop. My corset is TikTok shop. My belt is from Shein. Tiara is from Spirit. Thank you to my baby. And then I did put some extensions in my hair just to make it more full because Meredith's hair is real big. We literally just finished getting ready. Oh, I need to put jewelry on. Okay, I need to put jewelry on. But I think I don't even know what time it is. I think it's already 8. Also, if you guys can't tell, someone is recording. And can y'all guess who is recording? Who is recording? My babe is recording, and I painted him as Frankenstein because he was not going to come, guys. He was not going to come to the party. But last minute he was able to. Well, he's gonna be here not even 24 hours, but yes, he is here. And we did like a last minute costume on him, and I painted his face as Frankenstein. So yes, you guys, we're finally ready, but let's go out. I need to finish putting jewelry, and then I'll show you guys the final setup because I didn't show you guys our final setup, and there's already people here. So let's go, girl. Everyone's eating. We're still waiting for people, but this is how it's looking. The grupo is here. They're about to start. Oh, they came at 10. I know, they came at 10, but they're gonna start. We're taking shots. My mama's out here. Let's see if she takes a shot. My 3 baby girls. My 3 baby girls. Hello you guys, it's now Monday. The party was Saturday, and girl, a time was had. Oh my god, guys, the party was so freaking good. I really like, I'm so happy we had the party. Hold on, I have a hair. But yeah, guys, it was such a freaking good party. Guys, I know I didn't get good clips. I really did not vlog that much because I was just so like in the moment, enjoying the party, dancing, drinking. just being with my mans, being with everybody else. We barely took pictures. Like, we didn't even get to do like TikToks with like the girls that we were princesses with. Like, I didn't even show you guys good that because I feel like everyone was low-key running late. And guys, Osmar was, I think I told you guys, Osmar was not supposed to come. We had decided for him not to come because he was gonna come this week for my birthday. He was just like, you know what, I am gonna go, but I'm only gonna go like Saturday and leave Sunday in the morning. And I was like, you know what, okay. So yeah, that's what happened. I went to sleep like at 3 in the morning because like I was telling them like I wasn't drunk, and then I was drunk, you know. Osman wasn't drinking because he's on antibiotics, and honestly he really doesn't like drinking like that. So he was just with me. He was taking care of me and stuff. But yeah, I went to sleep like at 3 in the morning, and then Melanie was telling me that they didn't go to sleep till like 5. People didn't leave till like 5, 6 in the morning. It was really, really good, you guys. I'm pretty sure everybody enjoyed themselves. I'll probably put pictures at the end of this video. If I don't judge me. But I did post on Instagram and TikTok pictures because I know it's not like a full vlog for you guys. I'm gonna vlog today because today we are going to clean up. I'm gonna see if Melanie sends me a picture of what her and Alan cleaned up Saturday night, because guys, if we have parties, like we have to clean up like the trash and stuff like that night, or else the dogs are gonna get at it, and we don't want that. So they cleaned up like all the alcohol and like stuff like that. But today it's mainly cleaning like the inside and then taking off like the decorations and stuff, because yesterday we went to go celebrate my tia, because today is her birthday, so we had like a little dinner for her yesterday. So that's why we didn't clean yesterday. So we are gonna clean today. We're gonna deep clean. But yeah, guys, like I said, the party was good. It was such a good time. The grupo was bomb. I wish we would have gotten like another hour. They left around 2. We got them from 10 to 2, and by 2 some people had already left, but there was still a good amount of people at the party. But yeah, it was really, really good. Osmar left yesterday like at 10 in the morning because he had to go to work. I was telling them like, dude, Halloween party is mandatory like every year now, because we had never had like a Halloween party before or hosted one, and I think we all like loved it. I think we're gonna try to have a Halloween party every year. We'll see how that goes. But I'm gonna finish doing my makeup really quick and then eat breakfast, and then we'll start cleaning, girl. Okay guys, it's time to get to cleaning. Let me show you guys the state of the house right now. So this is the comedor. My mom's right here, but this is the floor, dirty as hell because Polo is in here obviously, and people were coming in and out, you know. People were throwing up, you know. But honestly, the table's not too bad. The kitchen though, girl. Okay, so our counter is full of stuff. Also because my mom and dad went to go do a little taquiza for one of my mom's like house clients, and they did that on Saturday too. So they came back and like obviously there was dishes and stuff. The sink, we have to take out the dishwasher right now, but this is the state of the counter. Let's go outside. It's just trash everywhere, girl. Okay, here is the hola mi tito monito y away. Hola mi baby. Okay, but this is the backyard. We have to take down all the decorations. It's not too messy out here, honestly. It's just mainly taking down the decorations and all that and picking up trash. But yeah, we're gonna start cleaning. It's basically another deep clean, you guys, even though we cleaned on Saturday. But that's what it is with parties. I think first we're gonna start off with the outside, taking down all the decorations and stuff. Also the bathroom, I forgot about that. We decorated the bathroom, so I have to take down all that. But let's get cleaning, girl, please. That mess could have been avoided. Could have avoided that mess of all the balloons on the floor. The balloon? That?
news. How is New York City fall vlog dying down almost? Okay, it is October right now. So a new season really romanticize it. You just feel really good about yourself for your fall outfits. Okay? Okay. This new hoodie I got recently, I'm so over to that.
Long ass nail is right here.
Pumpkin candles, so good. I really want to make a pumpkin spice latte online in 5 minutes. Then we do the
Damn, that shit's long.
expert research, title reports.
Oh.
Don't really like pumpkins a whole lot. Like pumpkin is just such a thing. Who said rats are what defines fall?
Now onto the bathroom. First, I'm gonna take off this from the door. I use like this thick double-sided tape for basically everything. And honestly, I thought it'd be a little bit hard to take off, but it's not that bad. It just stays on the stuff we stuck it on. And then we have these decorations and this. I'm gonna take off these cobwebs, but Melanie put like this stuff on it, so I have to take that off. Let's see. I'm gonna have to get on the toilet for these. That was easy. Oh. She said she wanted to keep the lighter. She wants to shower with it. I just put all of the extra stuff that isn't, that we're not gonna throw away, I put it in the same box. And then I think the Amazon box that I had put everything in. And then I'm thinking next, once Halloween is over, and we take down all the Halloween decorations, we'll go to the storage room and put it in the box. And I'll put those things in there too. And we need to figure out a date for the Thanksgiving already. Yeah. Okay, guys. Oh. We're done with the bathroom. Now it's actually inside the house, which is what we're least looking forward to. But thank God my mom already started a little bit on the kitchen and she was cleaning the dining room table. So we just have to tackle this. Okay guys, we are all finished cleaning. Honestly, I thought it was gonna take us longer, but it really didn't. Here is a little overview. The floor is looking much nicer. The table is cleared. We have Bola right there, and this side, the kitchen. Okay, the kitchen, we did clear the counter, but then they came and dropped off the stuff that my mom used for the taquiza, and then my mom told us that she was gonna do these dishes. The dishwasher is clean right now, so I have to take it out later. But we are done, girl. We're done cleaning. That is gonna be the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know the like Halloween party vlog part was super short because I didn't really vlog that much, but we were partying it up, girl. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. And next video is gonna be our 23rd birthday vlog. I'm so excited, so stay tuned for next week's video. I love you guys so much. Bye.